2 small cans of chickpeas, drain them, and then put them in a pan and add half of a lemon with the juice and 1 small onion. Boil it all together with the lemon, and then drain it, cool it, take the skin out from the garbanzo beans and put it in the blender with 4 garlic cloves, 1 small red onion, mint leaves, juice of 2 lemon, chopped parsley, spices, cumin, paprika, garlic, salt and pepper that I mix together and blend it very well. Add 3/4 of a cup of tahini, 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and half of a cup of water. Then we make tahini on the side. Lemon juice from 1 lemon, half of a cup of tahini, add the lemon, salt and pepper, and add water until you get a creamy consistency, and then place it in a plate. Add tahini in the middle, add some za'atar all around it, and then paprika and some garbanzo beans, and I chop some vegetable on the side. You can have it with pita bread, you can have it with vegetable. Enjoy.